Ano ba ito tokenize nila dyan? Marami ka, Miranda, they can tokenize. Ang paparating naman is yung tokenization ng RWA for Ethereum, no? Okay? Ethereum at BlackRock. Ito yung paparating. Pag nagkaroon to ng confirmation of the news, ayan. So BlackRock enters tokenization race with new funds, yung RWA. So meron silang obviously yung tinatawag na BIDL. Pag naka-pick up pa yan ng maraming balita, maraming pick up, etc., etc. So something for us to be mindful of, no? Obviously, kagandahan nito is nagkakaroon na ng pagpasok talaga ng traditional money at paggamit ng blockchain technology. In this case, yung paggamit po ng Chainlink, ginamit po nila yung technology ng Chainlink called CCIP, no? To be able, do a tokenization pilot. So kung merong tokenization pilot si BlackRock through your Ethereum or ERC20, meron din sila JP Morgan through Chainlink, no? That's gonna be the trend over the next couple of months up until these